will you also open a gallery in France? There are 150 galleries in Paris, and I have no plans to open another. What's more, during the financial crisis, it often happens that galleries have to close for financial reasons. I work in Prague. German galleries often buy from me. Does that mean they bought French art in a French gallery in the Czech Republic? I don't find that strange at all. After all, why? I think that today there are no real borders anymore. Art operates on universal principles. It knows no boundaries. You have to realize that there is an economic crisis taking place across Western Europe. That too must be taken into consideration.